Hi guys, very good evening all of you. So I am here with a hot breaking news. Just now few seconds back, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has given a very important announcement about May 2021 examinations. For all those students who are very curious, tensed, stressed and who are praying God that these exams are to be postponed in the light of this COVID situation in India, you have a very good news that ICA has finally released a notification that they postponed the examinations. If you remember, few days back, I think hardly 6-7 days back, I have made a video and I said that will ICA postpone exams, and I said yes, looking at the current situation, there is every possibility that ICA will postpone the exams, and I said it is my personal opinion and gut feeling. Now that it is a fact, I just want you to know that ICA officially postponed the exams. The moment this notification came, this telegram channels and all the social media started flooding with these things, and students started asking me, Pavan sir, when will be the next examination window? That ICA has not yet announced, because so many people are asking for 15 days, 20 days, 1 month ka postponement. But imagine if the situation doesn't become better after 20 days, what will they do? Will they postpone exams again? So maybe my personal feeling is ICA will, continue assessing the situation, and they'll see whether the possibility of conducting examinations is there all over India, because now there is no central lockdown. States started announcing their lockdowns and all, and there will be no uniform policy also. Now imagine if central government is announcing lockdown, it will be very easy for ICA to make a decision based on central government lockdown. But imagine n number of states are there, every state having their own policy, containment zones are there, red zones are there, everywhere, and even personally the location where I am at present is also a containment zone. Today I am making this video on 27th April evening, this is 6:30. So even the situation in so many places, so many districts, so many local governments, they have imposed some restrictions. That is the reason my personal opinion is ICAI cannot assess the situation wholesale in the country, because there are different states. Every state has different regulations, and ICI has to conduct examination globally. Many centers are there in India, maybe 99% of centers are there in India, but they conduct examination in outside countries also. So that is the reason they said further examinations will be informed eventually in due course of time, but they said minimum 25 days notice will be given to the students. Okay, now let us see what they said. That this is in examination section ici.org. Go to students, go to examination. In that, important announcement is there. So in view of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, and in the interest and well-being of the students, and to mitigate their hardships, it has been decided to postpone the final and intermediate chartered accountants examinations, which are scheduled to commence from 21st final and 22nd for intermediate May 21 across the globe. Globally, they have postponed. And one surprising thing is, nothing is mentioned about the foundation. So foundation students, wait and see. We do not know, what is running in their mind about foundation and all. Wait and see. However, situation of pandemic will be reviewed and fresh dates will be intimated to the students. While doing so, a notice of at least 25 days will be given before the start of examinations. This is what they are saying. Many students are asking, Pavan sir, why they have not given the date? Again, I am telling you, they will not be in a position to give the date, because now lockdown and the control measures of this pandemic is given to the states. Every state has their own policies. Even in state, if there are 20 districts, all the districts are not in the same plane. Few districts, they are doing one measure. Interstate travel and all, there are so many restrictions. And also on the travel, be it on the road, be it by train, there are restrictions everywhere. And another thing is, all the students fall in 18 plus category zone. So from May 1st, vaccination drive is going to open. So today is 27th and tomorrow morning 28th, in this COVID application you can open and register yourself, isn't it? So we really do not know, looking at all these things. So maybe it is not possible for ICI to immediately conduct the exams. It is not 10 days postponement, it is not 15 days postponement, even I don't think it is 1 month postponement. My personal opinion is exams will go to August. Though I cannot say anything because I am not inside ICI, or even if I am inside ICI also, we do not know till the time notification comes. My gut feeling says I think it will be, maybe July end or August minimum. Okay, why? Because second dose of vaccination for students also must be complete. That is what I feel. So first dose if you are taking in May, first 10 days, then after 28 to 56 days it comes now, whether you are taking alternative 1 or alternative 2, we have COVID shield or Covaxin, something is there, no? So whatever you are taking, the second dose comes after 28 days, before 56 days. Even I have not taken my first dose also. So I'm sure all the students will take the first dose in May. So typically the second dose will come in June. Okay, and this second dose after 14 days, you'll be ready. I do not know the technical terminology of what is there, antibodies or all this stuff, I don't know. But what I know as a layman is, after second dose, after 14 days, you'll be safe. You understand? So my feeling, my gut feeling or my opinion is, after second dose, after 14 days of eligibility from second dose, then it will be safe for ICI to conduct examination. So please be safe, take care of yourself. So many students are texting me that, Pavan sir, I am COVID positive, I am really scared of completing the syllabus and all. Boss, I'll tell you one thing: health first, family first, happiness first. It is not your exams, it is not your results, it is not your certificates. Okay, even if you have certificate of chartered accountancy, cost accountancy also, if you do not have the health, what is the fun of it? So first, your health, family, safety is important. So please take care of yourself. All this stress and everything is relieved with this notification. Just relax for a while. Relax for a while. So spend 2-3 days of nice time, spending time on your hobbies, watch movies or play some games and all. After that, again you can prepare a comfortable study plan. This time it will not be that heavy also. 8 hours, 10 hours ka zarurat bhi nahi padega. So 2 hours, 3 hours ka schedule you can prepare comfortably, you can do. Okay, so this is the crux of, this is the summary of the notification. So thanks to ICI for coming with this notification. And now relax, calm down, cool down, take care of your health properly. Okay, thank you.